What's up, guys? Happy New Year! It's 2024. So, Blackboard is back. I've been gone for a minute, trying to set up my studio, which actually has not been forthcoming, but I have all the equipment now ready, and within maybe 2 months, we should have our studio running, and we'll be back with other things that we used to do, like bringing in guests and podcasts and stuff like that. And also, I'll be welcoming anyone from my community. Those who've been following this channel would like to be part of this. You want to come, we talk about anything software engineering and software craft, anything that has been in your chest. You'll be welcome. So I'm looking forward to a great year ahead. But for today's session, I just wanted to talk about the books that I'm planning to read. I did a blog post recently, and I'm going to link it on this video. So there's a number of books that I'm reading this year, and actually I'll be doing a series on these books whenever I can, especially just the tidbits stuff that I've learned going through the book, and anything that might be worth noting for anyone. So you can read the blog post. It's a short one. I was just saying that I like the idea of learning in the public for three main reasons. Because other people can learn from you. I think we usually have this fear that you want, whenever you come now outside, everyone to know that you are a master of a particular thing, but people don't see the process. So for me, I just wanted to make sure that whatever I'm learning, people can see progress and everything that I'm doing, so that they can know that it's like I didn't just reach here all of a sudden. It's about the process, and I would like to document that process for anyone who will be coming after us. And this also to encourage a culture of learning. I really would like, this is the thing that actually can change your life, because technology is changing very fast. 2023 was the year of ChatGPT and the generative AI. And for real, I've used this stuff, and I know that it's going to shake our industry seriously. It's be high time to start reconsidering on how you learn, what you learn, because some of the things that we do as software engineers are going to be done by the machine. Sad to say that, but there'll still be some work for some of us, or some of you, if I won't be part of that team. But be ready for change. So to be ready for change is good to always be learning. Also pivot to other things that even you never thought about, and challenge yourself. Don't lock yourself onto a particular thing, and just be a lifelong learner. So that is what I try to aspire to do, and encourage you also to do it. And of course, all this is God willing. It's not good to always say you go do this and that, and you don't know how your tomorrow will be. So it's all about how God's plan goes, and then of course we have our plan, but God will direct it. So here's my list of books. So this list has been slightly changing, but I want to, being a computer scientist, I want it to remain at 32. Somehow it ended at 32 books. Those who know that 32 is special numbers, binary 2 power 5. So I just wanted it to be at binary 32. So anytime I've found a new book that I said, I should read this book, what I've been doing is I just go in and and I look at a book that is not really like my priority for the year, and I just replace it. So far I've replaced, for those who were keen from my last time I posted, I must have replaced one book. I think I brought in one book that yes, like the art was there. The Art of Computer Programming, I think I did replace it, because I noticed that I've been postponing to read this book for long and long and long. And even I made a joke that so what I did was, let me see if I can get the books. I should be having them somewhere down here. So give me a minute, I'll be here. Yes, I've been postponing you can see, for those who can see here, I have a whole volume of The Art of Computer Programming, all the 4 volumes. And Donald says that it's not done yet. There are more, there are more volumes to be done. Yeah, so of course, once those are out, I'll be on them. But these books are interesting, and most people don't finish reading them. But I'll try my best to at least go over most of the material and see what I get from that. And of course, this is one of my favorite possessions that I have, and even I'm afraid to even lend out to anyone. Like if you come and borrow like your like or go read, I'll be hesitant. And this is some of the books that I think I will hand over to my kids as their their inheritance, their only inheritance. Everything else they have to go work for. And the other one is this. I got the 4th edition of CLRS. Again, a very wonderful book. It was a bit expensive, 4th edition. I don't know why they made it that expensive, but it is worth it. So, as a computer scientist, I love this stuff. I like reading just also for my future endeavors that I would like to go back to teaching in school, if possible, X years later, whatever. But for those who will be following this series, we'll be together. Let's try and read whatever book that you'll be reading. If you'd like to come on the channel and talk about it, I'm also okay with that. I can host you. This is not my channel, but it's our channel to grow together. So I'll link this list here. If you're interested, if you open, you'll be able to see the link to the books. I think this I forgot to add the link. Okay, I'll do that. Some of them do have links. Interesting. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, it's my mistake. I'll see most of them do have links to O'Reilly. Most times I link O'Reilly, but you can get the books wherever you can get them. And let's have fun. So looking forward to this series, for real. And I'll see you. Thank you so much, and have a blessed 2024.